Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the page template in WordPress, whether you want to switch up just one page's layout or overhaul how all your pages look across your site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to give your site's pages a custom look that perfectly matches your needs, all without touching a line of code. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at how to change the template for a single page using the block editor. This is super handy if your WordPress theme includes multiple layouts, like maybe you've got a full width option or a page with sidebar layout, and you want to pick the right one for a particular page. So here's what to do. From your WordPress dashboard, find the Pages menu and select All Pages. Don't worry if you have a lot of pages. WordPress lists them all neatly so you can easily spot the one you want to update. Hover your mouse over the page you want to change. You'll see a few action links appear beneath the title. Click on Edit. This opens up the familiar WordPress page editor. Now on the right side of your screen there should be a Settings sidebar. If it's not visible, don't panic, it sometimes gets hidden. Just look for a little gear icon near the top right of the editor and give it a click. The sidebar will appear, giving you access to all the page settings. Within this sidebar, scroll until you see Template under either the summary or its own section. It kind of depends on your theme, but it's always there. You'll probably see Default Template showing. Click on the template name. A drop-down menu will pop up displaying all the layout options that your theme provides. Take a moment to look over your choices. For example, if you want your About page to stand out with no sidebar and lots of breathing room, you might pick Full Width. Pick your favorite, and then this is important, don't forget to hit the Update or Publish button in the top right. This saves your changes and applies your chosen template, so when you visit the page, you'll see the new layout live on your site. Sometimes the update process takes a moment, especially if your internet is a bit slow, so just give it a second to finish. Now, what if you want to go even bigger and change the layout for all pages at once? That's where the WordPress site editor comes in if you're using a modern block theme. Here you're editing the default template that controls every page using it. To open the site editor, navigate back to your dashboard and go to Appearance, then Editor. This brings up the full site editing interface. Think of it like seeing the blueprint of your site. On the left, you'll see a sidebar. Click on Templates, and you'll see thumbnails for all the different templates your site uses. Look for one called Pages, click on its thumbnail to open it up. What you're editing now is the default structure for all standard pages, so any change you make here will show up everywhere that template is used. Take your time here. Use the List View icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines in the toolbar to reveal a big picture view of all the blocks on the page. This makes moving things around much simpler. Want your titles above the featured image or below? You can drag and drop it. Need to add something extra like a call to action button right on every page? Just click the plus icon and add a new block right where you want it. When you're happy with the new layout, don't forget to hit Save in the top right. This will push your design changes live, updating every page that relies on this template. And that's it. Whether you want a unique look for one page or you need to update your site's whole vibe, now you know how to use WordPress's powerful template tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, and don't hesitate to drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any snags. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more WordPress tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and good luck with your website.